Want to know how to normalize your audio clip in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And once you've done that, simply import an audio file that you want. And now once I've done that, right here you should see my audio. So you can just simply double click on the clip to select it all and hit towards effect right here. And now once you're under effect, here you should be seeing volume and compression. So just simply select it. And now on the bottom, that is right below loudness normalization, just simply select normalize right here. Now what you can do is just simply edit out the peak amplitude to -1 or -3 by default. And make sure you remove DC offset, but it's optional, and then select Opti. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.